and I have a couple of things to tell you before I actually go into announcing who the winner is for our Honest Eats hack upstairs that we ran the last couple of days over lunchtime. The first thing is that Marqette, for the second year in a row, have won a Fab Award for the best food hall worldwide. So can I please have a very, very, very big round of applause for Marqette? To win it once is one thing. To actually retain your title a second year in this coveted award for F&B worldwide is absolutely phenomenal. So congratulations to Darren. I'm absolutely thrilled for you and the team back at the airport. The second thing I'd like to talk to you about is honesty promotes honesty. Guess what happened yesterday? We talked about honesty, we tweeted about honesty, and Honest Eats was 96% honest yesterday at the airport. Not 95, but 96%. Isn't that wonderful? So we've had a fantastic couple of days hacking upstairs on level 3 at the second stage, and we had a final today with Sharon and Alex and Catherine. And we had really, really clever ideas, all building upon the proposition of honesty. But there was one really worthy winner, and that worthy winner is a fantastic lady called Catherine Parks. And she is a user experience designer, and you would absolutely know it from the way she sold the story to us. You see, at the Future Factory, we are dreamers and we are doers. And what's really important to us is that we don't just dream, but we also do and bring fantastic products and services to Dublin Airport. So her idea is called Tap Tap. And quite simply, when a customer taps to pay, a dancer taps for them. Fantastic, adds to a wonderful experience at Dublin Airport and promotes honesty because the dancer doesn't tap until you do. Fantastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite Catherine to the stage with Keith Harrison from Cathay Pacific, who's going to hand her over her big, massive boarding card to Hong Kong. Put your hands together for both Catherine and Keith to the stage, please. Catherine, how do you feel?
Oh, I'm so excited. I love to travel, and Hong Kong's been up there on my list, so I'm thrilled.
Have you ever been?
No, I haven't, and it's definitely been on my list of places I really wanted to go in the next couple of years, so This is perfect timing.
Congratulations. Keith, anything to say?
I just want to say Hong Kong's a great city. To eat, to shop, to explore, to work, so please come along.
Thanks, everybody. Thank you very much.